We've got to make this house sweet, sweet, sweet. Yeah!
You're doing a fantastic job. Sorry. Maybe I'll wait inside. Remember, decorate my house for the annual Candy Cottage contest, and I'll give you all the potatoes you want.
Potatoes.
What you doing?
Definitely not eating candy when we're supposed to be working. We're decorating the witch's house with candy in exchange for potatoes. You know, normal fairy tale stuff.
Oh, well, it was nice knowing ya. La 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 la.
Wait, why did you say nice knowing ya?
Oh, I said that because the witch is probably gonna eat you, and we're never gonna see each other again. Bye now. La 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 la.
Wait, the witch isn't going to eat us.
Silly bears. Can you keep a secret?
Mm-hmm.
The rumor is the witch decorates her house with candy so she can lure little children to it. There's probably a few locked up in there right now.
No.
Yes. And when the children have eaten lots of candy and gotten very fat, she eats them.
No!
Little bears too.
But we're little bears. He's right. We are.
Nice knowing ya. La 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 la.
Hey, stop! What are we doing? We were running for our lives, which I'd like to keep doing. No, I mean the witch is our friend. We can't just believe every rumor we hear about her. We can if the rumor is she's gonna eat us. We've at least got to check this out for ourselves. Come on, back to the witch's house, brothers. Back to the witch's house. Look! Children! Look at them! Innocently sleeping there, with no idea the witch is going to eat them! Here she comes! Don't let her see us!
I'm making candy. I'm making candy. Little bit.
She's making more candy, just like Little Red said, to fatten the children up so she can eat them.
Huh? I'm making my candy. Aren't you cute and delicious? Bears, no potatoes if you don't finish! Bears, where'd you go?
She's going to get us! Quick, hide! Is it okay to come out now?